Welcome to Project GrrMaro, you guys. This is episode 5, and if you haven't been watching, my name is Michele Abbate, Pro Trans Am driver in the TA2 class. And this is our 2011 Chevy Camaro, and we are turning it into the ultimate street car. Today, we're actually gonna take the car as it is right now and clean it because it is filthy. It's been sitting out here for about 3 months. And yeah, so let's get to it. Let me just show you how bad it's gotten. Unfortunately, it's collected a bunch of dirt and dust. It's been windy. It's windy today, rain, all kinds of stuff. And so I hate to see my car or anybody's car looking like this. So today we're actually gonna clean her up. But if you have been following along, you know the motor is out of the car. The heads are at K-Tech, and we are doing some more work on it. So we're getting the final pieces put together, and then once we have everything, we're gonna start the assembly of our pretty much race engine. So we have to move some of these cars. Give it a little gas. All right, I gotta guide Anthony out. Hang on.
Oh, that was interesting.
I make Anthony move the cars that aren't mine because I don't know how to drive them.
Well, most of these cars are like 1,000 horsepower. And they don't
They don't go slow. So we've got a couple more to move before we can get GrrMaro out. Let's see. There it is.
This one looks like it's gonna be really
Make Anthony move it.
Oscar was fucking shit this.
These drag cars, we don't know how to drive them. They're
I get Brett to move this one.
I don't know how to work it either. Where is he?
No, I didn't see accident.
Some of the cool rides at Insane Power. Perfect name. I always end up saying, oh my god, that's insane. And then I know why it's called Insane Power. Right in the eyes. I'm gonna put these on. Okay, so I am done cleaning it. As you guys saw, kind of just did like a bird bath type deal, getting the big layer of dirt off of it. We're gonna pretty much keep it outside and put a cover on it. So that's why we didn't do like a full detail or anything like that. The engine bay is much cleaner than it was, but we're gonna go in there and really clean it when the engine's ready to go in. That way it's gonna be nice and clean and it'll stay nice and clean. But for now, she's gonna stay outside, cover on, away from the elements, and yeah, so let's head back inside. All right, so now that the car is all clean, we're gonna get into the next part of Project GrrMaro, episode 5, which is gonna be the announcement of a new partner of ours to join Project GrrMaro. Super excited about this one. I know we mentioned we were gonna be doing the CNC block this episode. Unfortunately, I was really sick this whole week. I missed 2 days of work, didn't have the time to make it down to Brett's, and unfortunately, yeah, we didn't want to miss getting that footage, so it didn't get done. But don't worry, it's coming up next really, really soon. And for this episode, like I said, new partner, so drum roll, please.
Drum roll.
Surprise! It's our friends from Mishimoto, you guys. So I'm super pumped on this. I have used Mishimoto products in every race car I've built. Never had a problem. Super reliable. Awesome lifetime warranty. And can't wait to show you guys what's in here. So yeah, let's start opening some stuff. I bet you guys can guess what this big bad boy is. Oh geez. This is gonna be our radiator. Let me see here. I'm gonna put it on the floor for a second. It's a giant radiator. And actually, probably should move all this stuff. That way you guys can't guess what it is. Mishimoto has been a partner of ours for over 5 years. We've used their products on all our builds, never had a problem, super reliable, awesome customer service, and amazing packaging, by the way. But yeah, let's get started here. I want to pull out the radiator first because, well, it's the biggest box and go big or go home. I'm not going to bring it on the toolbox again because it's pretty big. Like I was saying, great packaging, awesome insulation for shipping, and an amazing looking piece here. This radiator is an OEM direct fit replacement, which means you'll have no issues installing it in your car. It's also going to give you guys a 35-degree Fahrenheit drop in water temperature, which is awesome. As we know, heat is what kills horsepower. So when you get this bad boy in, you won't have to worry about that. I got Moxie hair in my mouth. Okay, so anyways, here she is. You will get a 35-degree Fahrenheit temperature drop with this. Also, like I said, it's a direct fit, so it's going to drop right into your OEM placement. I feel so short behind this. It will also provide a 1/4 gallon more capacity than your OEM radiator. It also comes with this awesome Mishimoto radiator cap, which is a 19-pound cap, so that's awesome. Really nice quality. It locks in. Just push down, turn, and it's on. So yeah, check that out. So you can see the inlet and outlet, and this can fit in automatic or manual transmission. So go to Mishimoto.com to get you one of these to accompany mine. We also got these bad boys. If you don't know what they are, I'm going to show you. These are direct fit OEM replacement hoses. So these hoses will replace all the factory hoses, and they're going to offer stronger protection. They are going to offer heat defense, and they also can withstand more pressure than your OEM hoses. You got the upper and the lower hoses, as well as the overflow. So these are going to go great with our new Mishimoto radiator. So super pumped on those. Next, because we're going to just keep this Camaro real cool, thanks to Mishimoto, we have our next box. Going to try to keep our temperatures a lot lower, and so with the help from Mishimoto and their oil cooler, it's going to make it easy to do that. Ooh, you get an air freshener from Mishimoto. That's rad. Leave a comment below of your favorite Mishimoto product, and I will send you the little chili, I think that's his name, the penguin. I'll send you my air freshener. All right, guys, so this is the OEM direct replacement kit for the Camaro. It's your 2 oil lines and also the oil cooler, which I definitely want to check out. And then we've also got the sandwich plate. Yep. And oil fittings. So that's awesome. They send you everything you need. It's all labeled. It's going to be 10 AN fittings. So make sure you have your 10 AN wrench so you don't go scarring up the really pretty Mishimoto product. Cool. So I'll open up. This is the bracket for the Camaro SS. So this oil kit, like I said, is a direct OEM replacement, and it has a 25-row cooler, which is in here, This is the bracket. I'm just excited to see this because when I had my FRS, it also had a bracket, which was like a universal bracket. Let's see. I'm not gonna lose any pieces when I do this. Uh-oh. One sec. Like I said, I don't want to lose any pieces. Really nice that they gave you the hardware. Mishimoto does a great job of supplying you everything you need to do a direct replacement for OEM application. And also they make a lot of universal products, which is really good too. We had kind of a custom application in our other car, and it was awesome because they had everything we need. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna open this up real quick, and then we'll get to the good stuff. All right, so here's the bracket. Cool little Mishimoto logo on there. Awesome. Black anodized, or I think this is powder coated. Black powder coated. So we got that. These look like plastic trim to maybe go on the edges. I'll have to read the directions. I haven't done that yet. And the sandwich plate, I mean, I know what these look like, but I'll show you guys. Really nice quality stuff. CNC finish. Got the O-ring in there. Really awesome. So gotta love Mishimoto. They really hook you up with the best stuff and make it really easy to install on a direct OEM application. And lastly, we'll open up this, which is going to be our 25-row oil cooler. I believe we got a black one. You guys can get different colors. They offer, oh, the same thing with the silicone hoses. You guys can get different colors on those. Woo! Oh, this is cool. Oh man, this looks really good. It's like stealth black. And then it has the white Mishimoto logo. I love it. It's so clean looking. Gosh, their product is so great. It's just really, really, really nice. Fit and finish is gonna look great, and I know it's gonna work awesome because I've had experience with these. So also, if you guys are gonna head to Mishimoto.com, be sure to use my coupon code Abbate30 for a discount. My last name, Abbate30. So head over to Mishimoto, get a discount on their product. Win this air freshener. Okay, lastly, we've got the catch can. So this is also a direct OEM fitment. It's another chili air freshener. So you can, we'll go 2 of those away. All right, let's get all this out of here, you guys. Bracket, hardware. No, I was like, there's no catch can, but it's in here. All right, so this is the Mishimoto catch can. I know this is a CNC product as well, so you know it's going to look good, it's going to work good. So this is going to be your catch can. Really awesome, really compact. It's going to fit really good in the engine bay. It's labeled in and out for your fittings. So we've got that. And then obviously we're going to have the bracket made for the Camaro, which is super nice. And also what's really cool about Mishimoto is they offer how-to installation videos on the website for like almost, I think, every single application, which is super helpful because they'll show you exactly how to mount this up in your engine bay, where to put it, how it fits. I think they even give you torque settings, so that's awesome. So there's the Mishimoto catch can, bracket, and then of course the hoses. So this will actually hook up to the PCV side, and it's gonna prevent blow-by in your motor and separate the oil and the air. Really, really nice product here. I got these fittings. I forgot which kind of fittings these are called, but they're make for a really great connection. No leaks or nothing. And then also we've got, oh, look at that, hose clamps from Mishimoto. These guys, I mean, they're always on top of everything you need, which is completely awesome. I believe they also offer kind of like different color ones of these. We went with all black, trying to keep that stealth look. So yeah, awesome products from Mishimoto. You guys be sure to go to their website, check it out. They got stuff for all makes and models, even trucks, which is really awesome. Thanks for watching. I know this episode 5 was a bit different than what you expected, but don't worry, we're going to be getting to seeing the block very, very soon, and I can't wait for that. Be sure to tune in every single Monday. We have new videos going up, and we'll clue you in on all the latest stuff that we're going to be doing. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel over here and check out the previous episode over here. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.